Welcome to our video on Node Analysis Basics for Beginners. In this video, we'll introduce you to the fundamental concepts of node analysis in a simple and easy to understand way. Node analysis is a technique used to analyze electrical circuits. It's based on Kirchhoff's current law, KCL, which states that the sum of currents entering a node in a circuit must equal the sum of currents leaving that node. To understand node analysis, we must first understand what a node is. A node is any point in a circuit where two or more circuit elements are connected. Node analysis is important because it allows us to determine the current flowing through each branch of a circuit. This information can be used to design and analyze electrical circuits. Kirchhoff's current law, KCL, is the foundation of node analysis. It states that the sum of currents entering a node in a circuit must equal the sum of currents leaving that node. In mathematical terms, KCL can be expressed as sum of I in equals to sum of I out. Let's look at a simple circuit to help us understand KCL better. Consider a circuit with two current sources, I1 and I2, entering a node and one current source, I3, leaving the node. Identifying nodes in a circuit is crucial for node analysis. A node is any point in a circuit where two or more circuit elements are connected. In other words, a node is a junction where currents can enter, leave, or both. To identify nodes in a circuit, look for points where components are connected. These points represent nodes. Once you've identified the nodes in a circuit, you can apply KCL to solve for unknown currents and voltages. Let's work through a step-by-step example. Consider a simple circuit. To solve this circuit, we can apply KCL at the node. At node A, we have I1 and I2 entering and I3 leaving from the node. Applying KCL, we get I1 plus I2 equals I3. When performing node analysis, it's important to avoid common mistakes. One mistake is forgetting to include all the currents entering and leaving a node. Another common mistake is confusing current directions. Remember, current flows from positive to negative. To avoid these mistakes, carefully analyze the circuit and pay attention to the direction of currents. Node analysis is a fundamental concept in electrical circuit analysis. This is an important concept that you should understand first. Remember, node analysis is a powerful tool for analyzing electrical circuits. Practice regularly to master it. To become proficient in node analysis, practice solving different circuit problems. Start with simple circuits and gradually increase the complexity as you gain confidence. Tell us in the comment section below if you need more examples. We will be happy to help you.